the one thing that I take home every single day from Centis is a very fulfilling work day. According to me, what makes Centis a great place to work is the care that it extends to its employees, the opportunities that it gives to us to explore unknown capabilities, develop on them, deliver work which relates with those unexplored and developed capabilities, and shine on.
I think perseverance is one thing which makes Centis apart from any other organization, and which is the USP, I would say, for Centis.
And leading a team of research and development, which is a key function of the organization. And research and development is the growth engine for Centis. Centis is at most caring for its employee and society, and that makes it great place to work.
It is a Seva initiatives and culture and values that we follow.
Respect of employees and vision of the organization.
It really feels so amazing working in a positive environment.
Strongly following the industrial practices and compliances.
As it takes into account the women's safety first.
Caring of employees and attractive employee-related policies. Customers in our company are treated as partners in Centis.
We got the opportunities for the learning and development.
Centis takes care of its employees in every aspect, be it taking care of health, work-life balance, or celebration of festivals and events. After so many years of progress, Centis continues to grow without compromising on its values and cultural anchors. This is something which is ingrained in Centis culture.
Work-life balance makes Centis a great place to work.
Centis is a great company with high cultural value and with very high quality web policies.
There's a lot of focus given to your growth and development. There's always focus on continuous growth and improvement, and it's well appreciated. There's also focus given by the leadership to employee recognition and employee appreciation, which is something that's really positive about the workplace. There's a huge focus on employee health and lifestyle, on Seva, which is giving back to the society, and your work-life balance. This is something that most organizations don't bother about.
I have rejoined Centis because of the ethics and the values of Centis only.
Centis is really great place to work. Its culture is very friendly and healthy atmosphere is here to work.
Thank you cards and value cards makes work exciting.
This is the organization who also seek the growth of employee also.
The quality of the niche products which we are developing here. Centis is a great place to work.
Centis is a great place to work because of the number of the employee friendly policies.
I think the core value of the organization, respect for individual, work culture, are which makes Centis a great place to work.
Centis is a learning organization. It gives great opportunities and exposure for people to grow from here.
My association with Centis is first, in again a very simple word called a family.
According to me, Centis is a great place to work because Centis cares for employees and for society. After working so many years, what I have seen is unchanged is the culture of Centis, like celebrating all events and caring for the employees, like our president remember everybody's birthday, anniversaries, giving cards and all. So that culture is very good.
We are one team, one dream to achieve organizational goals.
When I look at the patients who are getting benefit out of our products, it's just really a large population that we have been reaching out, we're helping them, we're benefiting them. The best thing which I see, not just products we are talking about, we are doing a lot of things under Seva. That really excites about Centis. It does impact really very positive, specifically when we go with our innovative products, we go with our quality products, we really speak very positive, and the customers do appreciate a lot about our products offering. That's the best part.
Everyday projects, people around here, the events, and most importantly the management makes us going. Even after 5 years, I still believe that it has been an amazing journey for me, and every day there is a new learning. Even today I feel that every day when I reach the office there is some more excitement to come on my way. So I love to spend the day at Centis.
After all these years of progress, one thing which remained unchanged is the enthusiasm which drives the company to look forward, and also their vision. Vision is clear for the future.
What I like most about the company is the respect and transparency with the
team members, and as you all know, we are the great place to work. We also work in gender diversity, and the most important thing, what we earn, we always give to the society. So we work for Seva too. I'm proud that I'm associated with this company.
Santis has always been a great place to work because of its employees-oriented policies and values.
Clear vision and identity makes Santis a great place to work.
Santis has always been a very exciting place to work. It has culture of challenges, seeking and winning, quality products, social service, employment engagement, and etc.
It has given me ample opportunity to explore my capabilities. Employees are appreciated for their work.
Women empowerment, safety, taking care of all of us, be home on time policy, the Mediclaim insurance policy.
Santis culture is very good.
Our motto, best quality on time every time.
Best quality on time.
Every time.
Best quality on time and every time.
Best quality on time every time.
Best quality on time every time.
Best quality on time
Every time.
Best quality
On time every time.
Good quality medicines on time every time.
What thing remains unchanged about Santis is its quality policy.
What remains unchanged about Santis is the work ethics.
Its leadership is the thing that remains unchanged after so many years.
The culture remains the same.
Especially focus on employee empowerment.
Santis is not just a name, it is a feeling.
Culture of Santis remains unchanged even after 30 years.
Vision of the company, the culture of the company.
Good working culture, good procedures and policies, and great management.
Success is the future of Santis.
In Santis, we have great opportunity to work for complex generics that will really helpful for society.
Prosperity.
It's very exciting.
Rocket. Santis will reach the height of sky.
Future of Santis is very bright.
One tagline at Santis is follow the SOPs, follow the procedures. It will take you through.
Clear vision for the future.
Santis to me is a learning organization.
The tagline of Santis is clear vision of the future.
Clear vision of the future.
Clear vision for future.
Clear vision of future.
The one thing that I take home every single day from Santis is satisfaction, because I think every day I contribute something for the betterment of the company.
Everyday projects, people around here, the events, and most importantly, the management makes us going.
To perform, excel, and make it happen.
I feel Santis is a great company with high cultural value and with very high quality policies.
To watch Santis mounting day by day is really overwhelming.
The more challenges, more energy and more excitement.
I feel very proud to be part of Santis.
I'm also proud to be working at Santis.
Great initiative for me to work in this corporate environment. Santis will always have special place in my heart.
Santis is our another home. It's really exciting to work in Santis.
It's always been an honor to work with this organization. I'm proud to be a part of this organization.
I am proud to be part of Santis.
I feel proud to be the part of this great organization.
I really feel proud to be part of Santis. I feel proud to be a Santisian.
I'm very proud to be a part of Santis family. It's a great place to work, which has been acknowledged year on year.
One word to describe Santis, which sets it apart from other organizations, would be magnanimous.
Systematic and transparent approach.
A zeal to grow, to learn, and full of excitement.
The one thing of Santis which makes Santis a unique and special company, the vision of our president.